Rough diamonds are natural diamonds that have not been cut or polished. Many people find unusual stones and wonder if they could be diamonds. While professional testing is always the most accurate method, there are several simple ways to identify rough diamonds at home. 1. Observe the shape and surface. Rough diamonds usually have irregular shapes but often show natural crystal forms such as octahedral or cubic shapes. Their surfaces may appear rough, frosted, or slightly shiny rather than smooth like ordinary rocks. 2. Check the transparency. Many rough diamonds are transparent or translucent. Hold the stone under light and look through it. Some diamonds may appear cloudy, but they often allow some light to pass through. 3. Perform the fog test. Because diamonds conduct heat quickly, fog from your breath disappears fast. How to do it? Hold the stone close to your mouth. Breathe on it like fogging a mirror. If the fog disappears almost immediately, it may be a diamond. This test is not conclusive, but can be useful. Number 4, scratch resistance test. Diamonds are one of the hardest natural materials. They can scratch glass and many other minerals. Warning, do not damage valuable stones during testing. A scratch test should be done carefully and is not always recommended. Tab 5, examine the stone under magnification. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Look for natural crystal edges, tiny mineral inclusions, uneven surfaces, lack of bubbles. Glass imitations often contain bubbles. Number 6, water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Diamonds are dense and usually sink quickly. However, many other stones also sink, so this test should be combined with others. 7, UV light test. Some diamonds glow blue under ultraviolet UV light, although not all diamonds fluoresce. If you have a UV lamp, place the stone under the light. Check for blue or other fluorescent colors. Final thoughts. Home tests can help you estimate whether a stone might be a rough diamond, but they are not 100% accurate. Minerals such as quartz, moissanite, and cubic zirconia can sometimes resemble diamonds. For confirmation, consider professional gemological testing.